Couple new additions. Jack Dempsey. Still got Pleco. Red Devil. Midas is getting huge. Parrot up there chilling. Jewel Cichlid in the front. Just digging craters in the tank. About to upgrade the tank size. There's the Oscar also getting larger since I've gotten them. They just got finished eating. Really big. Tank's a little dirty. Gotta clean it soon. Zebra in the back chilling. Only have one beta now.